Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you where to find and how to find a viral Instagram video ideas or Reels video ideas. And guess what? We're not gonna look into TikTok, we're not gonna look into Instagram itself to find the secret viral ideas. What we're gonna do, we're gonna come over here on Pinterest. Surprise, surprise, no one even thought about this, right? Now guys, click on the search icon at the lower left corner, the small magnifying glass, and now come over here on the search bar and we want to type Instagram story ideas. Okay, just look at what the heck is happening over here. We have the first one on the upper left. We have over 4,000 likes on these particular suggestions. Also, another pro tip over here, guys, if you look at the top filter, we can essentially scroll through different genres or keywords to find ideas. So we have a birthday, traditional, we have selfies, posts, creative, aesthetic, right? Pretty simply scroll down, we see this 18,000 likes. This is 20,000 likes. This is how you get the viral ideas for your Instagram stories or Instagram reels. See this one, 1,600. This is what I meant, that this is a secret thing. Not a lot of people know about this, guys. I hope you appreciate this video. Subscribe and like this video.